That is actual soundproofing material, and that is a real SUV to scale. So you can see exactly how large some of these sound stages can be. This empty lot that's right next to us actually used to be 4 separate sound stages. They've been removed because we are expanding the theme park. We're going to be adding additional rides and attractions to the lower lot. But these sound stages used to be home to CSI starring Ted Danson, USA's Colony starring Sarah Wayne Callies and Josh Holloway, and Superstore starring America Ferrera. Superstore has actually been relocated just across the way to Soundstage.